Freddie here with Colony Solutions, and today we're diving into a question I see come up all the time in pressure washing groups. Do you really need a D-38 contractor's license in California for pressure washing work? And what does this mean for your insurance, your ability to land better jobs, and protecting your business from claims that could wipe you out? Whether you're just starting out doing $300 driveways or you're bidding 5-figure commercial jobs, this video is for you. Let's break it down. So real quick, what is the D-38 license? Now, the D-38 is a specialty contractor's license in California for sand and water blasting, which includes most pressure washing jobs, especially when you're prepping a surface for painting, sealing, or restoration work. Now, here's the deal. If you're doing jobs under $1,000, including labor and materials, you technically don't need a contractor's license. That's straight from the Contractor's License Board. But the second you step into larger residential jobs, commercial storefronts, surface restoration, and work with a general contractor, you're in a territory where the Contractor State License Board expects you to be licensed, and clients are expecting it now too. Here's what you'll need to get the D-38 license. Be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number or ITIN, 4 years of journeyman level experience, pass the trade and law and business exams, submit a certification of work experience, and carry a contractor's bond. And if you're hiring, you're gonna need workers' comp insurance as well. Now, that's where we come in at Colony Solutions. We specialize in getting pressure washers and contractors the right insurance coverage for your phase of business. So if you don't have a license yet, don't worry. Don't let it stop you. You're not doing anything wrong if you're staying under that $1,000 threshold. But you want to use that time wisely to build up your experience, document your work, start studying for the D-38 test, and get all your ducks in a row, because eventually it's going to open doors to bigger jobs, better clients, and stronger insurance options. But in the meantime, you still need to protect yourself and your business. Even if you're working smaller jobs, someone could still slip and fall. You could damage siding or overspray into a garden or window. One claim could wipe out your gear, your savings, your trucks. So when you apply for insurance, general liability, workers' comp, tools and equipment coverage, one of the first things underwriters look at is your license. If you're doing work that technically requires a D-38 license, be careful, because if you're not licensed yet, they could deny your quote altogether or exclude key coverages without telling you. That's why working with a broker is important. Or worse, they could deny your claim if something happens on the job that required a license. This is where working with the right broker really matters. Someone who understands the pressure washing industry and space and how to set up your policy based on the actual work that you're doing. So let's say you're leveling up. You want bigger contracts, HOAs, commercial clients, post-construction work. You're probably going to get asked if you are licensed, if you are insured, if you have workers' comp, if you have a safety plan in place. Now, this is not just a bunch of red tape. This is their insurance company talking through them. If they hire someone like you who's not compliant, they risk getting dropped or denied a claim altogether. So when you show up with a D-38 license, clean certificates of insurance, and a legit safety plan, you stand out. That's how guys build real businesses, not just side hustles in this industry. So here's what skipping the license altogether and hoping for the best might cost you. You could get fined in a Contractor State License Board sting operation, or a lawsuit where your insurance won't cover you, or you could lose a contract because you're not fully legit, or even worse, being personally liable if your business setup isn't dialed in. Your gear, your bank account, your vehicles, it's all on the line. This is where Colony Solutions comes in. We're not just trying to sell you a policy and then vanish. We specialize in pressure washing and soft washing businesses, and we help new operators under $1,000 jobs set up the right policy for where you're at now, or we help growing businesses prepare for the Contractor State License Board compliance, or even we help established companies build stronger insurance programs that could scale with them. We'll even help you document your solo status if you have no employees yet, so you don't have to pay for workers' comp if you don't need it. Whether you're just getting started or building something serious, don't leave your business unprotected. If you're not licensed yet, we'll help you get the right insurance and get insured the right way for where you're at now. If you're ready to go after bigger jobs, we can help you get compliant. And if you just have questions about the Contractor State License Board, we can walk you through it. So feel free to click the link in the description below to get a quote from me, an expert broker, and find out what a real insurance plan looks like tailored for your pressure washing business. You've got something valuable going on here. Let's make sure it stays protected. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.